Going to the switch to turn the lights on and off can be boring. So what do you think about this? Hey Google, switch on the light.
Got it. Turning the light on.
Hey Google, switch off the light.
Sure. Turning off the light.
Here is the basic component that you need to do this job. You can use it with iOS device, Android device, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It works with voice control, remote control, timing schedules, share control. Here you have a long user manual. Here you have a switch to on and off the light. Visit our website www.rceastore.com to buy this smart switch. Now let's get started. Sun off switch, a bulb, bulb holder, plug top, wires. Take a piece of wire and connect it to the holder. Connect the bulb to the output pins of smart switch. Connect remaining wires to the switch. Use red color wire to the live port and blue color one to the neutral port. Here I use a plug top to connect the smart switch to the current. Don't forget to connect the red color wire to the live pin. You can use this switch to turn on and off the light. Go to the Play Store and download the app Smart Life. Open the app and click Sign Up. Then enter your email. Enter the verification code which received to your email. Then set a password. Now connect the smart switch to the power supply. Hold the switch for 5 seconds. Then go to Add Device and then Lighting and then Light Source BLE plus Wi-Fi. Then click Next. Enter your Wi-Fi source password here. You can rename your device from here. Now it is ready to use with your smartphone. There are some other options to switch on and off the light. Now let's see how to connect this with Google Assistant. Go to the Me tab on bottom right corner. Then go to Google Assistant. Install the Google Home app from the Play Store. Select your email and click OK. Then go to Smart Life app again and select Google Assistant. Here you must enter your email without entering your mobile number. Then enter the password which you set up earlier. And then click Link Now. Then it is ready to use with Google Assistant. Hey Google, switch on the light.
Got it. Turning on the light.
Hey Google, switch on the light.
Sure. Turning the light on.
Hey Google, switch off the light.
Alright. Turning the light off.
Hey Google, switch on the light.
Okay. Turning on the light.
Hey Google, switch off the light.
Sure. Turning the light off.
Hey Google, switch on the light.
Got it. Turning the light on.
Hey Google, switch off the light.
Sure. Turning off the light.